Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Nomad visa. Now the process is very simple, so the video will be divided into few steps. So the first step is just simply choose a destination wherever you want to go. So research and select the country that offers a Nomad visa program. So look for a destination that aligns with lifestyle preference and work needs. So just simply pick a country and then let's move on. Now in the next step you have to check whether you are eligible for going to that particular country or not. So review the eligibility criteria for the Nomad visa in your chosen country. So the typical eligibility requirements include being a remote worker, freelancer or self-employed individual. And you may also have to give demonstration of a minimum income threshold, your health insurance coverage, and you may also have to prove that you have a clean criminal record. And if there are any other specific requirements set by that particular country, you may also have to give that too. So after that, let's move on to the step 3. So in step 3, what you have to do is just simply prepare the documentation required for applying in Digital Nomad. So what you have to do is just simply gather the required documents. So commonly required documents may include visa passport with at least 6 months of validity remaining, proof of employment or income such as employment contracts, tax returns or client contract. You may also have to add health insurance coverage valid in the destination country as well, police clearance certification or criminal background check, and you also have to add passport size photos and any other document specification required by the immigration authorities if they need so. Now after that, let's move on to the next step. So to submit the application, what you have to do is just simply visit the official website of the immigration authority or embassy of your chosen country. So just simply look for the Nomad visa application form or just simply download it. It will depend on the embassy or the form that you are filling. You can also have an option of filling the form entirely online. So if that is the option, just simply go with that. And if there is any particular fee for any of the forms, just simply pay that too. Because in most of the countries, there are mostly fees that you have to actually pay to submit the form. And in few countries, there are no fees that you have to pay. So let's move on to the next step. So there might be interviews for certain countries. So schedule an interview. It is only necessary if the country needs to interview for the Nomad visa form. Again, it is not required for all the countries, but there are few countries that actually need interviews. So some countries may require an interview as a part of application process. If an interview is necessary, just simply schedule it and be prepared to answer questions about your work, finance and reasons for wanting to live in their country. So just simply give them the few answers and then let's move on to the next step. So now after you have done everything and your application is submitted, just simply wait because the processing time for Nomad visa application can vary. So you have to be patient and wait for the approval notification, or you can also request for additional information if needed. So after that, let's move on to the next step. So once your Nomad visa is approved, you can make travel arrangement to your destination country. So ensure you have accommodation and travel plans in places. And after that, let's move on to the next step. So upon arriving in the country, follow the local procedure for registration. You may need to visit the local immigration office or complete a specific set of paperwork to register your purpose, then obtain any necessary permits or identification card as required. And after that, in the next step, while living in the country, make sure to follow all the conditions of your Nomad visa. This may include renewing the visa on time, paying taxes if required, and following local law and regulation. And lastly, when your Nomad visa is nearing its expiration date, you can choose to either renew it or return to your home country or move to another destination. So follow the country's procedure for visa renewal if you wish to extend your stay. Lastly, an important note that visa requirements and procedures can change over time. So it's crucial to verify the latest information and guidelines from the official government sources or respective embassy or consult of your own chosen destination. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.